Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a trailing stop loss right here in MooMoo. So right now I'm using the active trader from the custom, and if you don't have any idea how to create that, click on the cross and click on active trader. And then we go, for example, on the Apple chart. And then what I'm going to do is go to symbol, select right here regular trading hours, and then we go to a order type, and we want that trailing stop like this. You also have right here trailing stop limit, but I'm interested in the trailing stop because right now if you click on percentage, we can fill in right here with how much percentage we want to create a trailing stop. And then we fill in right here the quantity of our share, so 1 is fine. And then right now, if you select right here on trade, we can create ourselves a nice trailing stop loss right there with a 2%. So that is nice. So this is how you can create a stop. So this is how you can create a trailing stop loss right here on MooMoo. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.